Jollibee has a promo called Always a For Delicious Value Meal, so we have a fun photo shoot with Gerald Anderson, my co-endorser for the brand. It's just a casual, relaxed working atmosphere with everyone involved in the shoot. It's a happy day because this means good news for all the Jollibee lovers out there. So, why don't you go and grab your Jollibee Value Meals? Enjoy!
Yes, hi guys! Nandito ako ngayon sa studio ni Miss Sarah Back. Siya po yung photographer namin for our photo shoot today. Para po sa Jollibee. Ayan, kasama ko po si Gerald Anderson. Kami po mga endorsers ng Jollibee.
Ayun, nagulat din ako kasi hindi ko naman alam. Ang alam ko, syempre nang tinawagan nila ako, ang alam ko lang is ayusan ko si Sarah, and then pagdating ko doon, nagulat ako kasi nandun si Peps, yung makeup artist, na alam kong makeup artist ni Gerald. So medyo nagulat na, magkasama pa sila. Parang gano'n. Syempre, never ko pa kasi sila nakasama in a shoot together.
We're doing the print shoot for Jollibee's Always a For Delicious. So it's your everyday Jollibee affordable meals. Always a For Delicious Jollibee value meals. So you have the Yum Burger at 39, the Spaghetti value meal at 49, and the Chicken Joy at 79 pounds. All with telling everybody that now all their all-time favorite Jollibee value meals are all together in Always a For Delicious price points.
Of course, yung
Ang look naman niya doon, syempre Jollibee, ano naman yan, it's a fast food chain. So, siya ganda lang reachable Sarah. Menta pa rin ng pagka-artista nila. So, hindi naman pwedeng examine naturally. Sobrang normal. May artista factor pa rin.
Yung type for the outfit was parang casual. It's parang something na parang susuotin mo kapag kakain sa Jollibee. So it's very casual na parang sobrang relatable siya sa customers ng Jollibee. So outfit namin yung cardigan, then tank top, and then full khaki jeans. Color was orange, so parang yung inner was white at tank top. Tagang minishare din namin na bagay yung colors nila. So which kay Sarah was orange and then kay Gerald was blue. So tagang nagka-compete din yung colors nila para maganda tingnan. Happy yung vibe nila sa poster.
Well, mga shows na ginawa namin for yung mga employers, tagal, years yung last version namin na magkasama kami sa Jollibee. Yeah, years ago pa. Nagsisimula pa lang ako nun. Hindi naman, given na yan eh. Napakagaling ni Miss Sarah Black. So, it was another privilege para makasama siya sa trabaho.
She's a regular photographer for our projects in the agency, and we wanted to use her because of her experience in shooting celebrities as well. She's done a lot of good stuff for us too, for our other clients. Yes.
Kita nyo naman sa photos na magkaibigan talaga sila at very comfortable sa isa't isa. Yung shoot naman is very fun, tas very fast din since to costume change lang sila. And then, mas fun ngayon kasi nandiyan si Gerald, so gusto pa may interaction pa nilang dalawa. Yung chemistry, explosive. Very fun yung chemistry nila. Parang kita naman sa nilang dalawa na nag-get sa shoot ngayon kasi parang siguro hindi sobrang mang-woke sa kanila yung shoot ngayon.
This is the first time that we're working with them together in a Jollibee project. Okay naman. I mean, they're really very nice people. So, very casual, very lang hang haps, walang ere, ganyan. It's a very easy shoot actually. Any day is a happy day to shoot for Jollibee.
Okay naman po kasi another photo shoot for Jollibee. So, syempre nakakatuwa. Kailangan kasi makulit kami dun sa photo shoot. Hindi naman, makulit mo siya. Di ba? So, magaan naman siya katrabaho.
Masaya naman yung print shoot. Yun, para lang kami naglalaro. Yes guys, tapos na po yung shoot namin. Yun na po ang schedule ko for today, yung work ko for today. So, makakapag-rest na po. Thank you for joining us.